Yep.
Hi. Just don't say that. I don't know, because there's a guy recording behind camera. I can't. I can't see the camera. So, whatever. Let's turn you off for a second. You hear that, right? What does that sound like? A hoverboard. So, what we have here. Come close. Okay, what we have here is a big hoverboard. It's pretty heavy. This one probably weighs 150 libs, pounds. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you how to ride. I'm going to show you guys how to ride a hoverboard. Okay, it's pretty heavy for a kid. Okay, first thing you need, okay, I'll hold the camera. Go grab my, okay, just throw my helmet at me when I ask for my helmet. All you need is a helmet. Throw my helmet at me. Okay, a helmet. I know this is pink, but it's not pink, it's red. You need a pair of shoes. Check. Okay. Close the door behind you. You need a hoverboard. Check. Close the door. Maya, you coming? Okay, everybody's loud. Sorry about that, guys. But, yes, as I was talking about, I've got a whole bunch of books in here. He got a car for Christmas. My Oak family, my dad, my mom, Mason, Tanisha, me, and Grandma, or Tina. I don't know who that is. But look at, I love the waves. Okay. Close the door behind you. Okay. Check, check, check. You might need knee pads. I don't have no knee pads. I don't really use this. This is 25th of Christmas, okay? No, there's not. On the 25th day of Christmas, what your love gave to me. You guys can see. Can you guys see what that is? Comment if you can see. Okay. So, Jared! There's the cameraman. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Pass the camera over to him. And he's going to take it off from here. There. Okay. Now, let's put my shoes on. Whatever.
You got blue ones of those socks?
Yeah, what color did you get?
Orange.
Oh, crap. That's Mason. Look at his smile. Close the door behind you. Like fully. Mason, go close it fully. Okay. Now let's grab my helmet. Oh! It hit me right in the chest. Okay, if you guys, I want to know, that's my friend. They're both here. They're having a sleepover. If you guys want us to do, if you guys want us to do the 24-hour challenge, just with that TV, we'll do it.
I have my
closet.
Me and Pam and Kaya. We have our smart TV.
Who?
We got a smart TV on Christmas.
Okay.
Today.
There we go. All you starters. This is the gear that you need. I'm going to show you how to ride it now. So, you can, my friends, they like to go like this. My other friend, he goes like this, but I certainly put my feet in the middle of it. So, let's do this. So, I'll show you tricks. These are for starters. Sorry, guys, if you're like not a starter, but you can still copy these on. Shut up. Look at him. He's like half bald. Because he cut his hair. If you didn't cut your hair, you would still look like Mason. Now you just look like a junkie on the street.
Holders. I'm just kidding. That's not.
And stop laughing. Okay, shut up. I'll save you. Oh, you won't be my friends. You'll get kicked out. I'm saving you.
Oh.
Was there an earthquake or something, guys? I said shake the camera. Okay. Whatever, there's not an earthquake. Ah! Okay.
You're going backwards. Whoa.
All you starters out there, get on your boards. Get ready. You guys have to move to a next level if you want this. If you guys got a hoverboard today, you have to use it like a hoverboard.
E.
It's not a big hallway. We might be able to go in it. You want to go in the hallway?
Yeah.
We can go to the hallway.
Here you go.
Okay, we're going to ask to go to the hallway. Okay, guys, I just decided to end the video here so we can go play in the hallway. Okay, bye.